I think they just love this name Sahil because they had a player called Rahil. Now they have Sahil. So I think yeah.
They love this HIL. फुल पावर बट वेल प्लेड यार. सौरभ भाई क्या फील्डिंग करते हो आप. मजा आ गया. और वो फॉलो विकेट्स वो आखिरी के, दैट वाज समथिंग अ गेम चेंजिंग मोमेंट फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर मैच. ग्रेट स्टफ गाइस, ऑल द बेस्ट. मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट, we've got Brookfield Gladiators versus Brookfield Properties. सबसे ज्यादा क्या है मजा, क्रिकेट एंड एंटरटेनमेंट. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड. ओवर द कॉम्बॉक्स.
Thank you very much, Manish. Great performance by Sahil Thakur in the first match, rewarded as POTM, Player of the Match. So, hello and welcome back once again to the Brookfield Premier League 2025 Season 5, Day 3. ट्रिपल पावर के साथ सारे क्रिकेटर्स तैयार हैं. Okay, game on. First ball. Bowling the fuller one and direct hit. Oh, मौका था यहां पर, एक रन चुरा लिया है. So we have Amol and Bhavya, the opening pair, and Salil started the proceedings already. So Brookfield Properties taking up with Brookfield Gladiators. News from the center, Brookfield Gladiators won the toss, elected to field. They invited Brookfield Properties to bat. Oh, taken that. Rohan, is that Rohan? Good catch. And look at the strategy of that fielder. Backup fielder की तारीफ करनी होगी. क्या दौड़ लगाई है, because maybe chance to drop the catch और बचाने के लिए बाउंड्री. लेकिन it went very much miles in the air and वो judgment बहुत ही अच्छा किया रोहन ने indeed. And that's gone. So Bhavya, without troubling the scorer, he departs. 2 balls, 2 for 1. We have the new batter, Shrida. She ended really well. Manish, yesterday was slideshow. End transition दिया था for second day का. Trying to swing, and what happened there? Oh. Just in, just out. Caught by Rohan. A request, one player from Brookfield Properties to come in the commentary box and one from Brookfield Gladiators to contact the scorer for the coordination of the players. Brookfield Gladiators and Brookfield Properties, one player please. This time played, looking for one more run. I request one player from Brookfield Properties to come in the commentary box. Coordination with the scorer. And one from Brookfield Gladiators. Hanosh and Amol, they were the hero of their last match. उन्होंने मैच को पकड़ में रखा था और last night they got the win. Now let's see, they are batting first in this match. So one more chance for both the batters. That's clever by Salil. Good bowling. Good defense by Amol. एक ओवर के बाद 5 पे 2 दमदार शुरुआत की है ब्रुकफील्ड ग्लेडिएटर्स ने. That's the reason they elected to field first. एक ओवर के बाद 5 पे 2 ब्रुकफील्ड प्रॉपर्टीज. Smartly played at square leg. It's 7 for 2. Hanosh and Amol. जोड़ी जो हिट थी क्या आज वापस इस मैच को करेंगे सुपर हिट. Sensible batting. A direct hit could be the chance on the stumps. Good running by Hanosh and Amol. 8 for 2. Brookfield Properties. The second match of the day started. PIL Panthers, what a victory. The previous match, they won by 7 runs. Played fine at square leg for a single. The lefty-righty combination. Can they burn the calories of the opposition? Let's see. That's Fuller trying to stop the covers. But there's a fielder in deep. Only a single. Amol was the man of the match of their previous game last night. Playing across the line and played at leg side. Coming back for second. Good running, good running. बहुत ही तेज रनिंग बिटवीन द विकेट्स. 2 रन के साथ 12 पे 2 ब्रूकफील्ड प्रॉपर्टीज. That's end of the over. 7 run conceded. 2 ओवर के बाद 12 पे 2 ब्रूकफील्ड प्रॉपर्टीज.
All right, यहाँ पर गुड रन बिटवीन द विकेट्स. पहली गेंद चिन्मय पाटिल द्वारा. बेहतरीन गेम का प्रदर्शन. By team Brookfield Gladiators. They are on the track as of now. 2.1 overs completed. 13 runs for 2 loss. What a beautiful bowling. The batsman is still reading the pattern of the bowler, and bowler is not letting him know his plans. And this time, I think it was And will he be getting the 2 runs? And that's a wicket. And one of the most important player is going to be coming to the dugout, is going back to the pavilion. So Amol has been the player of the match yesterday. He took 3 wickets and some good runs for his team. And that was a late cut. By the batsman, by and Hanush by on the non-strikers and Ankur on the striking end now. चकमा दिया फिर से एक बार चिन्मय पाटिल ने. बेहतरीन बॉलिंग का प्रदर्शन. 5 गेंद हो चुकी है और इस ओवर में महज आए हैं 3 रन. What a shot. That's 1 run they've taken. The captain is like, will go with the momentum. We need to create the momentum because it's a 3rd over. The match is only of 7 overs. और यहां पर आक्रामक बल्लेबाजी ही आपको जिता सकती है. 3 ओवर हो चुके हैं. 17 रन 3 विकेट के नुकसान पर टीम ब्रूकफील्ड प्रॉपर्टीज. And what a game by Brookfield Gladiators so far. What a shot. 1 run. Will they be going for the second one? And successfully just waiting for the umpires. Yeah, that's 2 runs on the scoreboard again. So last spell was really phenomenal. The last over. Talking about the Brookfield Gladiators, they've played 1 match, they've won that match. Properties have played 2 matches, they've won only 1. That was the last one, the last match of yesterday. And once again, just going for the big hit, but has to satisfy on the 1. तो सो फार 20 रन आ चुके हैं 20 गेंदों में. It's run with the ball. The left-hand batsman. And it's up high in the sky. Will that be a catch? And yes, without any mistake, this gentleman, this man has taken a beautiful catch for his team, and there's a wicket. The captain Hanosh is going back to the dugout. And the new batsman coming to the strikers end, हार्दिक, जिनका हार्दिक स्वागत है इस पारी में, इस इनिंग में। और देखते हैं कितने रनों से अपनी क्या ये होगा। वाइड का इशारा, बाहें फैलाकर। Umpires given wide for this. One extra run. Just keeping it simple. Calling for the one, but not going for that. And that's the wicket from the leg umpire. Back-to-back 2 wickets in this over, turning out to be a nightmare for Brookfield Properties.
Yeah, absolutely well. And Manish, you're looking good in commentary box. क्या बात है?
I look good otherwise also, my brother.
Yes, 21 for 5, and it's like a roller coaster ride. We've seen Manish every match is going that till the last ball, and that's something different energy power they have.
Absolutely, my brother. Anand. And the ball is in the sky. They've got one. यार मैं कैसे मिस कर गया? We've got the player of the match of the last game from Brookfield Gladiators, Anand Dubey. दुबे जी जो हैं ये कमाल करते हैं। और यहाँ पर बेहतरीन फील्डिंग प्रदर्शन since the first ball I've seen from Brookfield Gladiators. Well, this year I think their game has gone way better than last year. एक उभरते हुए खिलाड़ी आनंद दुबे in this tournament. Beautiful bowling. The one man who has been really tough for the opponents here.
Yes, that's end of the over number 4. It's 23 for 5, Brookfield Properties. And so what do you predict, Manish? 23. अब 3 over बचे हैं. Is that 50 plus?
The last over was the game changer. Truly a game changer. पाटिल साहब, शॉट बढ़िया था, but fielder मौजूद.
Yes, we have Rajat and Ankur on the crease. Chinmay ready to bowl to Rajat this time. Oh, that's played smartly. Good stop, single. Looking to play a scoop shot there, indeed. 25 पे 5 है स्कोर ब्रूकफील्ड प्रॉपर्टीज. In the air, and very simple catch for the wicket keeper. A one more wicket fall. Brookfield Properties losing the momentum. Absolutely fantastic performance by Brookfield Gladiators. Chinmay Patil strikes. 6 wicket down. Brookfield Properties. And this is the reason why Brookfield Gladiators opt to field first. getting a success. Good catch taken behind the stumps by Rahul. 25 पे 6. Nizzle, the new batter. Chinmay Patil, excellent bowling performance. 25 for 6. Coming up the last ball of the 5th over. That strike really well. Looking for 2. What is happening there? Third umpire referred. Here you can see on the big screen. दो रन ले गए और यहाँ पर देखना होगा. Very tough job for the third umpire. We have the another angle that will have the clear look. It looks like he is well inside the crease. Not out. 2 runs to end of the over. 5 ओवर के बाद 27 पे 6 ब्रुकफील्ड प्रॉपर्टीज. Shiva sir, waiting for the one more match today. He's looking to play on side, missed it. Anand Dubey once again. And that's good catch and one more wicket fall. 7th wicket. Anand Dubey strike this time. Chinmay Patil striked in the previous over. Now it's chance for Anand Dubey and 27 for 7 down. Brookfield Properties. Oh, one more wicket. लगातार दमदार शानदार गेंदबाजी हो रही है ब्रूकफील्ड ग्लैडिएटर्स और एक मिला है विकेट. अजब गजब क्रिकेट. It's very simple catch. Anyone can take it. Wicket की पतन number is that 8 wicket down. Yes, 27 for 8. He's on hat trick. Oh, what happened there? Excellent bowling chance. Very good bowling. Three wickets for Anand Dubey in this over. 2 wickets in this over. Previous over he got 1 wicket. No chance, is not allowing the batsman to hit. Straight to the fielder. 27 for 8. Good bowling. 1.56 for 3. That's a late cut at point. Short backward point. Single. So 6 down, 28 for 8. Brookfield Properties. Coming up the last over of the first innings. Oh, that's gone for 6. Kya baat. Damdar, Shandar, Jordar, sixer! Bouncing down the track. Very well played. And yes, 6 runs. 6 run के लिए 34 पे 8. See, doesn't matter the wicket they lost, but what matters you play right now. And we have Pooja to bowl the last over of the first innings. Single and then a 6 and then a single. 35 for 8. $36 for 8, and oh my god, going very much down the leg side forward. Umpire Mr. Siddesh there. 37 for 8. Coming up the last 4 balls. Again down the leg side. We'll get a wide. Extras added to the total. It's 38 for 8. Last 4 balls. मौका है. So मौका है, दस्तूर है, जोश है, जुनून है. Brookfield Properties. Let's see last 4 balls. Oh, just over the wicket keeper there. Outside edge. Single. आखिरी 3 गेंद पहली पारी. 39 for 8. Will he try to get one more big hit? Oh, keeper tried to take that, but he didn't get hold of it. Just have a look at the action replay on the big screen. It's not the proper judgment to collect that ball, and luck in the favor of batsman Akash. That's gone miles in the air. A simple catch for the triple 5 number jersey. Maybe his lucky number. 9th wicket down of Brookfield Properties, and coming at the last ball of the first inning. Good catch by Rohan. Very simple catch for Rohan. So initially Brookfield Gladiators won the toss, elected to field first. They invited Brookfield Properties to bat, and that's the strategy. When success, they bowled out all the 9 batsmen and now last batter. That's gone high in the air. Over the fielder, up and over. Looking for two, only a single. So they ended with 40. 7 over 40 पे 9 और 41 रन की जरूरत है. So 41 is the target for to chase for Brookfield Gladiators. We'll take a short break and come back, but meanwhile, we have Manish toss ka boss.
Sure. May I request team, the captain of Team Everin and Team Bam Blasters, may I request the captains of both the teams to please join us for the toss. Let's see who's got an early luck today. Both the Kumars. Kumar and Kumari. Kumar. Chalo, let's go. Let's go. All right, so moving ahead. All right, so moving ahead for the toss ka boss. And the next match is going to be between Team Bam Blasters. And on my right, we've got Invincible Energy, Team Everin. So we've got both the captains here. May I request Mr. Shiva Khona to please join us for the toss ka boss. Also, he going to be playing for Team Bam Blasters. So before we do that, what do you think? You should win or she should win the toss? Your team, Aman.
I think let me be very politically correct. We all are winning here, so I think. But yeah, maybe the best team win. Yeah. Yeah.
And I'm talking about the toss right now. You have it in your hand. You are from Bam Blasters.
So I hope because for a couple of other teams, actually, I did the toss and I was a bad luck for them. I don't know.
Let's see how your luck works for you. Okay. So you guys know the sides, yeah? Who'll give the call? Tails is the call from Team Everin and heads it is. Congratulations. Oh my God. So what would you like to go for?
We are going to chase.
You're going to chase any run you're going to be restricting them on?
Anything under 30 is, we'll be happy with that.
So would you like to talk about the bowlers that you've got in your team?
Yeah, I think Shiva is a very good bowler. I think whenever it comes, whenever the team is under pressure, he's there to rescue. We have Rohan, we have Shailesh. So we have good set of bowlers. We have Anike, who is an excellent bowler. You will see her in action today. So yeah, we are confident with our bowling lineup and we'll try to restrict them.
But I'm sure last year I've seen some good cricket from your team. This year, the one match that you guys played last, it didn't turn out the way you guys wanted it, but I'm sure this match going to be a comeback for you guys. Thank you. All the best, man. Yeah. So Shagun, यहाँ पर हम टॉस जाते हैं हार आ रही है बैटिंग क्या लगता है पहले एक मैच ऑलरेडी आप खेल चुके हो दिस गोइंग टू बी द सेकंड मैच दो मैच बैक टू बैक थोड़ा सा प्रेशर हो रहा होगा दिमाग में सो एनी चेंजेस इन द स्ट्रैटेजी यू गॉट
No, we're going to keep, I'll repeat myself, but we're going to play to our strengths, have fun and enjoy.
And any batsman you like to talk about? Batters, I mean, my bad. You're completely relying on.
No, I think the responsibilities are equally divided. Everyone knows their role in the team and they're going to do their best.
But एक चीज़ मैंने देखा है भले वो end के या starting के overs या like you know if even if it is the one down the batter who's there who's going for the opening or the one who's coming at the last you guys just enjoy the cricket throughout the time and that is what I love about Team Everin. All the best and let's go for the pure entertainment as well. Thank you. Moving on to the match which is truly interesting. I would request my brother Mitesh to please take over from here.
Yes, thank you very much, Manish. Coming back to the match. Brookfield Premier League, Season 5, Day 3. The next match coming one more big encounter. But now we have Brookfield Gladiators to chase 41. Game on. Short pitch ball looking to play for a bit of hook shot. Single run. Prathamesh and Rahul, the opening pair, and Rajat started the proceedings from Brookfield Properties. has got the outside edge. It's gone at the short backward point. Single. So both the batsmen off the mark. Prathamesh and Rahul. Target is 41. Now it's time to defend for team Brookfield Properties. Miles in the air. Chance. Oh, he's dropped it. Oh. Is that a mole? जीवन दान मिला है यहाँ पर. Luck in the favor of Brookfield Gladiators. 3 गेंद 3 रन, कोई विकेट नहीं. Oh. Inside edge, lucky there. No runs. Yet another dot ball by Rajit. 4 ball 3 run. कोई विकेट नहीं. That's being smashed at leg side for a single. 5 गेंद 4 रन, कोई विकेट नहीं. Last ball of the first over. Fab start. ओहो, कहां पर भेज दिया गेंद को? आर पार, दूसरे शहर में. It will count at 1 run, so end of the over. 1 ओवर के बाद 5 रन, कोई विकेट नहीं. And it's a runner ball now for Brookfield Gladiators. They need 36 from 36. 36 गेंद 36 रन. And we have a fantastic golden moments on the big screen. Cameraman has done a fantastic job. So 1 was gone, 5 for no loss. That's a tossed up delivery, low tossed up delivery, defensively played by Rahul. No runs. We have Amol, last match hero of the match, last night hero. Into the gaps, will they come back for 2? Yes, 2 runs taken there. So Prathamesh adding the total with 2 runs. Yeah, taken. Is that Hanosh? Yes, kya baat. Good catch, well taken there. Looking to smash, looking for a big one. But दीवार की तरह खड़े हैं, क्या बात है. Taken at the second attempt. 9 number jersey Hanosh. OUT out, first wicket fall, Brookfield Gladiators. 1.37 पर 1, 34 गेंदों में, 34 रन 33 गेंदों में. Here the new batter comes down to the center, Pooja. And that's bowled. Timbered, shattered, dreams scattered. Looking to swing, but completely missed it. Second wicket down. Amol. He is now on a hat trick. Back-to-back wickets. तो यहाँ पर दूसरे विकेट के बदन जबरदस्त जोरदार बॉलिंग परफॉर्मेंस by Amol on a hat trick. Let's see, will he get it? Anand on strike, the new batter. Excellent bowling, very good bowling. And that's good line and length. Change in bowling variation. 5 balls bowled by Amol, 2 runs conceded, 2 wickets. And that's trying to defend that Brookfield properties. That's been given as wide. We have very smart umpire Siddesh over there. 8 for 2. Coming up the last ball of the second. Excellent bowling. Need to come back. Team Brookfield Gladiator, let's see. Outside edge, lucky there. Went over the wicket keeper. And indeed a good bowling from Amol. 1 over 3 for 2 and 2 was gone. It's 8 for 2. 30 balls left and 33 runs to get. For the spectators watching, it looks like very easy. But the way they're bowling all the cricketers out here in the Brookfield Premier League, that's the power play. Batting power play, only one fielder allowed at the boundary line. Look at the strategy, look at the spirit of Brookfield properties. But Brookfield Gladiators bowling, अब रुकिए, अब देखना होगा हमारी बारी, कुछ तो कमाल करेंगे. कम बैक करना होगा. 30 गेंद और 33 रन्स. The batsman is ready. We have the new bowling attack, Bhavya. Going down the leg side for the wide. And that happens, that happens. Easiest catch you drop and the toughest catch you take. That's gone in the air and the keeper was very confident, but Amol. He dropped it. Rahul and Anand की जोड़ी देखना होगा. Going outside the off-stump line for wide. So runs are coming with the extras. And let's see. It's 10 for 2. Looking to swing the bat. Missed it completely. That's played at square leg for a single. .32 get from 27 balls for team Brookfield Gladiators. अब धीरे धीरे हौले हौले वो रन्स बनाने की कोशिश में. Oh, that's a fuller one. Wow. What a beauty of a delivery. Just have a look at that on the big screen. Maybe try to bowl it at the middle could be the chance for the wicket. That's going back foot and punch down at covers. Only a single. So in fact, a good over from Bhavya coming. Only 4 runs conceded, 5 balls being bowled. Dancing down the track. Completely missed it. Looking to play across the line. एंड ऑफ द ओवर. 3 ओवर के बाद 12 पे 2 और 29 रन चाहिए 24 गेंदों में. दैट्स 29 फ्रॉम 24 बॉल्स. Up and over the fielder. Just a single. Good stop. So single is okay for the team Brookfield Properties, but not for Brookfield Gladiators. But still, that one big hit can make the equation closer. Toss-up delivery high in the air and into the commentary box. 6 runs! Cracking shot. So beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow. And that's Anand at his best. What a hit. Once again, up and over. Played fine. Sensible batting after hitting a 6, rotating the strike with single. That's we're talking about if one big hit can make an impact, and that's what they did. Run a ball now, 20 balls 20. Trying to bowl that Fuller outside the off-stump line. That's very clever, left by Rahul. He's got 2 wickets now. Expensive. Amol, 13 runs. That's gone high. Just one bounce to the fielder. Single. So just a bit of release of pressure of for the team Brookfield Gladiators. Anand and Rahul. This partnership, let's see. High in the air. Chance and gone. Wicket fall number 3. 4 ओवर के बाद 23 पे 3 ब्रूकफील्ड ग्लेडिएटर्स 3 ओवर में 18 रन्स नीडेड. 18 रन की दरकार है. देखना होगा किसकी सरकार है. 4 ओवर 23 पे 3 खटक. So once again, welcome back to the Brookfield Premier League 2025 Season 5. Day 3 is on. The excitement, energy, and all the cricketers are ready to fight the battle. Looking for a big one. It will get only a 1 run. We are the new batter, Rohan, joining the party with Rahul. Rajat bowling is second. Oh, that's bit of variation in the bowling. Bowl the fuller one, and batsman took bit of time to play that shot, but a single run taken. Rohan will face the first ball. Now on strike. Oh, once again, one more wicket. They got a success. Brookfield Properties. First ball, golden duck. Rohan departs. Once again, the timber is shattered. 25 for 4. And this is ball, though the runner ball, but still the confidence and the power and the perfection from the bowling of Brookfield Properties. That's what you call the game of cricket, the beauty of cricket. हार नहीं माननी है, बस खेलते जाना है. Excellence is the key. Chinmay Patil now on strike. Oh, he's got it outside edge. He lost a bit of balance, a smile on the face of Chinmay. No run. 16 runs and 14 balls to go. That's gone high in the air. Oh, what is happening? What is this happening? Safe landing and single. 15 run 13 गेंद. दोनों टीम का यहां पर अजब गजब क्रिकेट. Oh, Klein bowled him. He got one more. Tim Bird shattered. What is this happening here? Brookfield Gladiators losing the momentum here. 5th down, 5 gone, 26 for 5. 15 to get from 12. And now it's time for the penultimate over so that they can defend this to get pressure Brookfield Gladiators for the final over. क्या स्ट्रैटेजी अपनाई है रजत? 2 ओवर 8 पे 2, अमोल 2 ओवर 14 पे 3, दोनों ने कर दिया है कमाल. ब्रूकफील्ड ग्लेडिएटर्स को कर दिया है बेहाल. 15 रन की दरकार है 12 गेंदों में. पांच ओवर 26 पे 5, 2 ओवर 15 रन. Change in the bowling attack with the new bowler Akash. That's gone high in the air. Oh, he clears the fan for 6 runs. चिन्मय पाटिल साहब ने धमाल कर दिया है और बता दिया है ये बैट नहीं, ये तलवार से करते हैं प्रहार और भेजते हैं सीमा रेखा के आर पार. दमदार 6 रन. 9 रन की दरकार 11 गेंद. प्रेशर को रिलीज करते हुए trying to bowl something different but going outside the off-stump line. Now the pressure on the Brookfield Properties. 8 run 11 गेंद. Is that high in the air? Roger takes it underneath at long off. Chinmay Patil departs looking to clear the long off, but it didn't get the distance and gone. तो ये है क्रिकेट का खेल, अजब गजब खेल. कभी खुशी कभी गम, कौन बनेगा मैच का सिंघम. 8 रन की दरकार है, 10 गेंद है बाकी, रात बाकी, बात बाकी. खटैक. This is like a roller coaster ride for both the teams. It's very difficult to say still who will win this match. Difficult to predict indeed. So 8 to get from 10 balls. One big hit, मैच को कर देगा सुपर हिट फॉर ब्रूकफील्ड ग्लेडिएटर्स. और एक विकेट ब्रूकफील्ड प्रॉपर्टीज को मिलेगा. विनिंग टिकट देखना होगा. So Akash, very good comeback, though he's got hit 6 by Chinmay, but हार मानी नहीं है, विकेट मिला है. इस बार खेल दिया सीधे फील्डर के पास और वापस भेज दिया है, लेकिन कलेक्ट नहीं कर पाएंगे कीपर अमोल. ये आप देख सकते हैं ऑन द बिग स्क्रीन. डायरेक्ट हिट कोशिश करते तो एक विकेट मिलता. तेजस सावंत एंड दिव्यांशु गुप्ता एट द अदर एंड. That's cut away nicely. Shrida the fielder at point. Only a single. 7 balls and 7 runs. Oh, that's good stop with the back of fielder. So 6 overs gone at 34 for 6 and 7 needed from 6 balls for Brookfield Gladiators. क्या मैच कर दिया है, रोमांचक कर दिया है ब्रूकफील्ड ग्लेडिएटर्स ने और ब्रूकफील्ड प्रॉपर्टीज ने, दोनों ने. And yes, we are on 6 over 34 for 6. Rashika to bowl the last over. 7 run 6 गेंद. Tejas Sawant on strike. Down the leg side now. 6 balls and 6 runs. This is going outside the off-stump line. That's Binkin is wide. Once again, extras are coming. 4 run 6 गेंद. This time down the leg side. Just stand still, you're getting runs. 3 run अब 6 गेंद बचे. One more wide, 2 to get now. Easy for Brookfield Gladiators. The reverse decision by the umpire. No ball and now freed. क्या ये winning shot? Oh. Chance for the catch, but that's it. Is that out? Yeah, it's that. Yeah, victory for Brookfield Gladiators. They got the victory, won by 4 wickets. हार नहीं मानी है